Fred's fire truck, KY by Alger Mitchell. This is clearly an update one. My crab's watching me, by the way.
When you're ready, press the start button.
Well, this keyword's been replaced with Blue Fun Country Alliance playing keyword by Alger Mitchell. I mean, Decent Vending Company of Minnesota. Oh, every time my cute crab always watches me for no reason. This is an update version of Fred's fire truck. Right. I know Franco's channel filmed the one at the Broadwood Mall, Westfield Broadwood Mall in Cooper City, Florida. By the way, you understand that the blue lights, two of them up there, they're gone. I don't know why they're gone. It's just a brand new kiddie ride in this small. Yeah, now have another go. I know there's one at the mall in Little Rock, Arkansas called the Park Plaza Mall, but that one has the Jolly Roger movement. By the way, my orange alien and my Furbies and Peppa Pig love this key ride, especially my crab. By the way, the rolling moderator display, or rolling wall display does not even work. It was not moving. And that was an update of Fred's fire truck KY by Alger Mitchell, spotted at the Northwest Arkansas Mall in Fayetteville, Arkansas. This kiddie ride doesn't even have the eyes for no reason. It's been replaced with Blue Fun Country Alliance KY by Decent Vending Company of Minnesota.